Hello. We came for the silkworm farm just to see how the silkworm works and how the silk is made. I didn't know, but it's also like a kind of zoo, some birds and some animals. Unfortunately, it closed. We'll come next time. I have no idea. Maybe it's just a Sunday and that's why they are closed, but maybe they permanently closed for until the grand opening of the island. Anyways, I think we're heading to Ubud now, right?
Yeah, we will go also chocolate. We will go to chocolate factory.
Chocolate factory?
Yeah, it's somewhere near here.
Yeah.
That famous Indonesian Bali chocolate factory pod.
Laura likes chocolate, so that's why we are going there. Just a short story about this particular chocolate. There are many chocolate factories at the moment in Bali. This is one of our favorite one. This factory or this business is owned by two British guys. Not only British guys, there is also Indonesian partners. But the whole story started when the two British guys, Toby Garrett and Michelle Robinson, they went to Papua New Guinea. They tried the fresh cacao, and then when they came back to the Bali, they decided to try making chocolate, and that's how it grew. And at the moment, I think it's one of the most popular brands of the chocolate here in Bali. Definitely, probably also in Indonesia. The brand is in Bali. We have grapes, and I was making an episode about the grapes here in Bali. Previously there was a lot of grapes growing, and at the moment it's more located in the Pemuteran region, but because the chemicals to prevent all these bugs eating the grapes cost so much, so then it's not the point to just to harvest the grapes, because they are really cheap and finally it doesn't cover all the expenses. So if you find the way how to make a product from these grapes, or for example in this case it happened with the cacao beans, so then yes, then you can sell the product. So then you're actually adding the value to this product. So in this case there was this absolutely same thing. There's a lot of cacao growing here in Bali, but no one was harvesting it before, or they harvested, but that's so cheap, this cacao beans. They actually did great here is that before you buy a chocolate you can just try it, and then you can see how many different kinds of the chocolate you have here. It's like a chocolate paradise, Laura said.
Yeah.
It's probably also one of the best souvenirs you can bring from the Bali. So what do we bring? I always say, we all usually take cashew nuts, we're taking coffee with us, and this is another thing, chocolate. It's actually kind of good chocolate. We are living in Latvia, we have a really good chocolate, but I think this is kind of, we love Latvian chocolate way more than this one, but it's really good.
This one is really good.
And probably we didn't try all of them, so that's why that's the problem. And
we have a choice to try all of them, because here is all places you can just take one. For example, this one, cafe mocha.
Was it?
There is with small pieces of coffee, really delicious. I like coffee. There's with a coconut with a cookies cream.
Which one you wanna try next?
There is a matcha, which is not matcha now. Is very like a, don't know, people like
In a
matcha.
trend?
Yeah, it's like a trend. They like matcha, the drinks and everything. No, it's not my favorite. What is the like a honey? This
With
one is 80%.
Oh,
Very dark.
so that's 80%. That's the highest. So they have here 23 different flavors of chocolate, starting I don't know how many percent, but the darkest one is 99%. Now we're heading back home. It's a kind of, we decided to visit this place on the way back home from where? From Seminyak beach, and so another 60 kilometers and we will be back. Another adventure is over. We are back home. Our neighbors singing songs, and we have a really good feeling about this trip. Thank you, Mahide, for invitation. That was really nice to be together again and celebrate your birthday. Yesterday's walk on the beach was just amazing. Thank you very much for watching. Follow, subscribe, and see you tomorrow again. Bye.